Start. The present appeal is directed against the orders dated 13 March 2019 and 22nd May 2019 passed by a learned single judge of this court, by which the two writ petitions being WPC 25 and WPC 56 filed by the appellant herein were dismissed. Some facts which are required to be noticed for disposal of the appeal are that an advertisement was published on 29th September 2015 for recruitment of contractual sanctioned posts including MIS specialist by respondent number 2, National Cyclone Risk Mitigation Project 2. The appellant was appointed to the post of MIS specialist on 16th November 2015 for a period of 3 years. However, the services of the appellant were terminated by the respondent on 24th May 2018 on various grounds, which was set aside in arbitration proceedings. The learned counsel for the appellant points out that subsequently another advertisement was published on 9th November 2018 for all sanctioned posts. The complaint of the appellant before the learned single judge and before us is that contracts were extended with respect to all posts. However, the post at which the appellant was employed has not been re-advertised, only with a view to keep the appellant away from joining the said post. He further submits that the frivolous allegations which were made against him have been put at rest by an arbitral award. Objections filed under Section 34 stand dismissed, although an appeal against the same is pending. Counsel further submits that in the subsequent advertisement, the post of MIS Special has been merged and post of Manager IT has been created only with a view to deprive the petitioner of an opportunity of re-employment, although the work at the NCR MP 2 project has still not been concluded. Learned counsel for the appellant has labored hard before us to show that the post has been merged for malified reasons, as the work and duties of MIS specialist and manager IT are almost identical, and there was no occasion to merge the post of MIS specialist and manager IT. Accordingly, it is submitted that the action of the respondent is arbitrary and malified, and thus the order of the single judge is liable to be set aside and a direction be issued to fill up the post of MIS specialist by considering the application of the appellant. Mr. Jasmeet Singh, learned standing counsel for respondent, has drawn the attention of this court to the short affidavit filed on behalf of the respondents. He submits that the allegations of the appellant are unfounded and baseless. Counsel submits that a specific stand has been taken by the respondent that they have not advertised for any post of MIS specialist, neither they are seeking to fill up the same. Thus, there is no infirmity in the order passed by the learned single judge. Mr. Jasmeet Singh further contends that the submission with regard to merger of the posts is liable to be rejected, as the qualification, remuneration and duties are completely different. Thanks guys. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.